Yeah. We are here at SMX Convention Center. We're gonna visit Jean. Actually, Jean yung nasa Vlogmas Day 1 ko. May booth siya dito sa Wofex. And World Food Expo. And we're gonna visit him. He's gonna give us tickets. And we're so excited to get lots of free food. So, ngayon, naiwan namin si Baby River sa bahay. We so miss him. So, last stop na to, free food. And uwi na kami. So, dito na kami.
Bande, ano?
Ayan na. Visit kami sa booth mo.
Hello.
Okay, first food taste of the day.
Soft caramel po.
Sea salt caramel from this gourmet. Dito naman tayo sa Any Landing. Ay, sorry. Sa Any Landing. Meron sila Pichi Pichi. Type ko. Ayan. Hi. Sa Andy Heart Daddy.
Arnie Daddy.
Arnie Daddy nga. Pichi.
That's chili garlic sauce. Same ka naman kaya.
Try natin yung kanilang pichi.
Sir, it's very spicy. Si Sir, video mo.
Ano yan? Spicy bagoong?
Really spicy.
Na may skyflex. Wait lang. Umuwi ako pa. Mahangang? Kasi bibigay mo sa akin. Ano yung tsura niya? Tuloy ko nga ito. Thank you po. Ayan yung prices nila. Ayan. Arnie Daddy. Booth ni Jean. Big Ben's Kitchen.
This is sesame peanut butter
Ano to?
honey crunch.
Dessert na? Nag-expand ka na ba? Diamantes.
Diversify.
Wow.
Ali. Kids, try. Bilis. Ubili ni Daddy lahat ng gusto niya. Bilis.
Big Ben's Kitchen.
Ito, gold diamantes. Sesame peanut butter honey crunch.
Ito yung sa Big Ben, sabi niya, don't worry, it's organic.
Bigyan sa long samples mushroom.
Pang sa ang dami niyang products. Organic mushroom charron. May imus lang. Ito yung
Hanap po kayo?
famous imus lang kanisa.
Hindi, pwede ko.
Longganisa. Tapos meron pa. Hubad, longganisa hubad.
Yes.
Pauso yan ako.
Naked.
Hubadera ka pala, hubadera longganisa. Ito bago to. I love it. Ito yung peanut. Ano to?
May yung
Leche plan?
yes. Have you tried our leche plan at Big Ben's?
Na ano?
Leche plan at Big Ben's.
Pigments?
Big Ben.
Big Ben's? Ito maliit sa labas.
Silvanas.
Silva. So may leche
Ito
plan.
leche plan.
May leche plan din sa Big Ben's. Leche plan. We're trying the leche plan. Big Ben's.
It's made from free-range eggs. So
So,
medyo mas mahal sa typical.
so lahat dito sa Big Ben's organic.
And then it has makapuno.
Makapuno, no?
And that's Silvanas.
Silvanas. May Silvanas na rin sa Big Ben's. Pero restaurant yun, di ba? They have restaurant. 2 branches na.
Almost, yeah.
Almost. Isa sa Imus and yung isa sa
Imus din. Different.
dalawang branches Big Ben's sa Imus. So mga taga Cavite, visit kayo sa Big Ben's Kitchen. Instagrammable din. Instagrammable din yung place nila.
Simple.
Yeah. Tocino. Organic, 100% fresh, all natural ingredients. Hey, I'm a cakes. Desserts like iba-ibang class. Ito yung bestseller ni Taste. That's Floating Island. Floating Island. Bacon wrap. Oh, yung Chicago mushroom.
Are you guys really sure that I can say for you?
Iba rin yung paglagay ng FTL.
Sobrang init, dandan.
Okay, thank you po.
Oh, takoyaki! My favorite. Favorite ko yung nabibili sa Ayala. Tag 20 pesos lang yun. Ay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. There you have it. Again, you can visit their booth at 142.
Mainit nga. Tama
Thank
siya.
you so much yung mga nag-take ng Samyang Spicy
Sarap.
Noodle Challenge.
Ano siya?
I'm sure. Nagagaling eh. Lamang naman yung palit. Nagkasi yung mga puto kakahang na yan. But I know you're all up to another
Authentic.
challenge.
Authentic.
We're going to have another challenge after that. Yeah, okay.
Kumakain.
So, it will be
Mainit.
6 flavors. Okay, another challenge. But this time it's not going to be this spicy.
Bumili ka ng beer. Kasi ikot-ikot ka, parang ka nagpupulutan lang na libre.
So smart ah. May artista dun kanina, alam mo. Si Jelly de Belen. Jelly de Belen ba yun? Pero hiyain ako, sorry guys. Cheers! Garapal. Puso. Double that sauce. Bad boy. Black.
Doon naman yung habanero dito.
Don Juegos. Try this one.
You know, backyard.
This crunchy chili. Ano yun? Garlic.
Crunchy chili garlic.
How much for crunchy chili garlic?
200.
This one is
That's 300 kasi that's super
Kaya
hot,
ko
that's
kasi mild
concentrated.
pa siya.
Try that.
The rest are 200.
We're having a hot sauce challenge later.
I'm not gonna win that. I'm not even going to try.
Yeah, for dessert.
Cookies.
Peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream. May actual peaches and
You're
cream.
making
No, it's cream, not cream.
Peaches and cream! So witty.
And sihon is fruta.
Italian and
try this
American
one.
inspired. So red wine, balsamic,
Not bad.
Italian
Medyo
and
maasim siya.
And the next one,
That's
this is
spicy.
roasted pineapple, mango, and yellow habanero.
Oh.
Ito, 220.
Buti na lang nagbaon tayo tubig.
Get 2 or more.
Water makes it work. So drink one.
Milk na lang. Ice cream.
Ito, chipotle and jalapeno.
And the last one, this is black cherries, dark chocolate, and cherry brandy.
Let's reserve that for you.
Alcohol is actually good kasi it dissolves the capsaicin.
Grabe. Dapat trinay mo rin.
No, I'm good.
Parang sunog na yung dila ko. Manghang pa rin. Parang ano siya? Korean challenge. Parang siya yung Korean noodle challenge, pero sauce. It's locally made. I love that it's locally made. It's made from Palawan. And Mel is actually pretty cool.
Pag,
Magkano yung ganito? Binibenta mo rin po dito? Isang buong ganyan. All organic. Perfect for Christmas. Nasa Wolfex, guys. What we got is this gift from Jean. This very cute Christmas package niya. So you can order it from him if you want to give this organic stuff a try. It's really nice. And I got some Barlico. Barlico, I really like that coffee. It's a coffee flavored barley drink. And John got this chips. And we got some empanada to go. Cheesy empanada to go for John. Gusto na namin umuwi kasi miss na namin si baby. Kailangan ko na rin siyang pakainin. Sana okay lang siya. Kinakabahan ako. Baka gutom na yun. Sakit na naman. Pero also, I really miss him. So, this is the vlogmas for today. Thank you for watching this video. I'll show you Peanut later once we get home. Ano man yung naiwan namin. Pero we have a CCTV and we are able to check on him every now and then through our phone. Yung CCTV na napanalunan ko sa workshop, gamit na gamit. So, ayun, we can't wait to get home. Nag-pee lang nasa restroom lang si John, and after that, we are on our way back home. And before this Wolfex, we went on Christmas shopping para sa staff. And yun, so we just got some stuff for Christmas. That's it. He's here. And we're going home. See you later, guys.